We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a scanner glass on an HP Laserjet 1536 DNF MFP printer. So first thing first, you want to get your glass cleaner and your favorite lint-free cloth. I'm going to open your little scanner bed hatch right there. Then you want to take your cleaner. Don't put it directly on the glass. It could cause issues. So you want to put it on the cloth just a little bit and then gently clean your glass. Sometimes we do see pen or even whiteout marks on here, so you may need to clean it more than once. If you're seeing more printing defects when you're using the top part, this 80F, then focus on the smaller piece of glass right here. The big one, your flatbed, is going to be for when you put your paper down there, and then this one is going to be for when you scan from the top. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.